How to rank number one with OpenClaw plus Hermes AI SEO. What if one free system could rank your whole site for you? Today I'm going to show you the Agent OS that builds and ranks websites. It does the keywords, writes the posts, and hits publish while you sleep. No team, no writer, no coding. It's nuts. And you can grab the whole thing as a ready-to-install file. Let's go. What if I told you SEO is now run by a free robot team that you can install in one click? That sounds crazy, but it's real. And today I'm going to show you the exact Agent OS I use to rank number one with OpenClaw and Hermes AI SEO. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below, okay? So let me show you what this Agent OS actually is, because this is the whole point of today. It's a full system of AI agents that do SEO for you. Look at this right here. This is the dashboard. One agent does your keyword research, one writes your content, one optimizes it for search, one publishes it, and they all run at the same time, all for free. It's built on a tool called Hermes Agent. Over 133,000 people have started it on GitHub. It's free, it's open source, and it's right up there as the number 2 agent in the world on OpenRouter. People are going crazy for it, and the longer it runs, the better it gets at SEO for your site. But here's the thing, setting all this up from scratch is a pain, so I packaged the whole thing into one Agent OS you can just install. I'll show you how to get it later. Stick with me, because what it does is wild. Let's start with step 1, keyword research. Watch what the agent does here. I just say, go do keyword research for me as a deep dive, and it goes off. Look at this. It made 2 files for me, a keyword deep dive and a keyword cluster file. It writes it all in a clean table. The keyword, the difficulty, the priority, everything. That used to take a junior SEO a whole week. Hermes does it in about 5 minutes. Here's how I find the best keywords. I go into Google Search Console, I look at the last 7 days, and I sort by impressions. Impressions just means how many times you showed up in search. The keywords with the most impressions are the ones you already have a shot at. No Search Console yet? No problem. You go to RFs and check your competitors instead. You look for low competition keywords. Low competition just means it's easier to rank. And one tip that changed everything for me, go for trending keywords. They're usually lower competition and they get way more reach. That's how I grew one site from 16 clicks a day up to 83 clicks a day. Nice steady growth. Let me give you a real example you can copy. Say you wanted to grow something like the AI Profit Boardroom. That's my AI automation community. You tell the agent, find me 90 long tail keywords with low competition and high search intent for AI automation. And look, it just builds the whole list for you. Topics real people are actually searching for. Now here's where it gets really fun. Step 2, the content. Look at this website the agent built for me. It doesn't just write blog posts, it plans the whole site. The pillars, the keyword clusters, the topic maps, the URL structure, the internal links. It writes it all into one strategy file, like a senior strategist would, but way faster, about 5 minutes. Then it writes the actual posts, and here's the magic part. You give it your context and a real case study. So I'd say write an SEO article about AI automation for small business. Here's context on the AI Profit Boardroom. Here's a case study of how a member automated their content. And it goes off and writes it with internal links, with hooks at the top. And I'll be honest with you, a lot of this reads better than what I used to get from human writers. Now stay with me, because I'm about to show you the part that blew my mind. But first, let me help you out real quick. If you're making all this content, but nobody is finding you online, you've got a traffic problem. And that's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads and more traffic, my team at Goldie Agency can help you rank higher on Google. Book a free SEO strategy session with us. Just check the link in the comments and the description. We'll look at your website, show you what to fix, and give you a custom plan to outrank your competitors. It's completely free. Okay, back to the Agent OS. So you've got your keywords, you've got your content. Now step 3, publishing. This used to be the most annoying part. Copy, paste, fiddle around in WordPress. Not anymore. You give the agent your WordPress login and API key. An API key is just a special password that lets the tools talk to each other. Then you set a daily schedule task. Look at this. I just say post one new SEO blog every morning at 5 a.m. and it runs. You wake up, there's a new page live every single day without you. Now here's the part I promised you. The swarm. A swarm is a whole team of AI agents working at the same time. Not one robot. 12 robots, all on one mission. Look at this. One does keyword research, one writes, one does internal linking, one plans your link building, one does competitor analysis, one does technical SEO, all at once, all in the background. Think about that. A real SEO team might have 10 people. This Agent OS spins up 12 agents in 5 minutes. They don't sleep, they don't get sick, they don't quit, and they work for free. Watch one agent inside the swarm. Look at this. This foundation agent alone builds the competitor gap analysis. It plans the keyword strategy. It finds featured snippets. It drafts the full technical SEO plan. That's a whole strategist's monthly output from one agent, while 11 others do the rest of the job. I actually used this to get 17 agents working together to build a full 50-page website. Watch, it planned the whole thing, then it deployed it live to Netlify with one prompt. Netlify is just a place to host your site. And look, here's the live URL. Done. There's also a goal system. Look here, you set a goal like build out a website and rank it, and it creates an autonomous loop. That means it just keeps working on its own. There's even an AI judge that checks the work and keeps going until the job is done. No managing, no checking in. You walk away and come back to finish work. And there's one more job it handles that most people hate. Link planning. Look at this file right here. The agent went out and figured out where you can get backlinks from. It pulls a list of relevant directories, communities, Discord and Slack groups, forums, Q&A sites, PR spots. It writes it all into one clean file that's ready to go. The kind of list a junior SEO would spend a week building. Hermes does it in about 2 minutes. And it can even help you sort by domain authority and write the outreach emails. So the slow, painful part of SEO just got way smaller and it gets more personal. You can hook it up to tools like OMI and Obsidian. Look at this. OMI takes notes all day on what you're working on and how you work. It writes those memories into Obsidian and links them all together. Then your agents pull all that context and use it to write content that actually sounds like you. Super custom, super personal. So picture this, you've got the keyword agent, the writer, the publisher, the link planner, the competitor analysis agent, all running together, all for free, while you go and do literally anything else. That's not a tool, that's a whole operating system for SEO. And I'll tell you exactly how to get this whole Agent OS for yourself at the very end. So stick around for that. And if you want to go big, run the swarm. A whole team of agents building and ranking your site while you sleep. That's the Agent OS, that's how you rank with OpenClaw and Hermes AI SEO. And now here's the moment I promised you. If you want my exact setup, my full agent operating system, join the AI Profit Boardroom. And here's the best part. You don't just get a guide, you get the complete Agent OS as a ready-to-install zip file. The actual tool, you drop it in, install it, and you've got this whole system running on your own machine, plus a full 30-day roadmap and 100 of my best prompts to go with it. The link is in the comments and the description. That's the fastest way to get everything you just watched. Now look, all of this is amazing for making content, but content alone is not enough. You still need that content to actually rank, and ranking is what brings the leads and the traffic. So here's my last thing for you. If you want more traffic and more leads, my team at Goldie Agency can help you rank higher on Google. Book a free SEO strategy session with us. We'll look at your website, we'll show you what to improve, and we'll give you a custom plan to outrank your competitors with link building. The link is in the comments and the description. It's totally free. Thanks for watching. Drop your questions below because Julian reads every single comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.